Agapitude, I love you just because. Is nature forgiving? Well, let me put it this way. Nature doesn't hold on to resentments. Nature doesn't have resentments. Nature just is. I've heard people say, nature is unforgiving. No, nature is just nature. So the more we can be with nature, the easier life is. If we know nature is brutal in some areas, then we can prepare to go with that brutality if we need to. Cold climates, we can dress warm. Hot climates, we can find shade. We can make shade. The key is to be one with nature. And therefore, it's not that it's unforgiving or forgiving. It just is. And nature is here for us to be with us. Now, having said all that, wouldn't that be great if we could do that with our fellow men and women? If we could just be with them, but be aware of when we're in a harsh climate of people. We don't have to take part in that, but we can prepare ourselves. It's called having boundaries, having healthy boundaries. We don't have to participate in things that we are not comfortable with. Peace.